Hi, I'm Miriam Continenta, head of the education department at Erayba. Today I'm going to present the HydraKer line. HydraKer is our hair care line for dry hair that needs an extreme level of repair. This line is free from sulfates, salts, and parabens, and features a hypoallergenic fragrance. Thanks to its active ingredients such as argan oil or hydrolyzed keratin, we can achieve amazing elasticity with the hair shaft. We have the shampoo, which serves as the starter, the preparation for the products that we'll be using next. There is a rinse-out conditioner, applied to mid-lengths and ends, and left in for 5 to 7 minutes. Aim to detangle your hair with the product applied, then proceed to rinse. Our mask, which is multifunctional, is a no-rinse mask, applied to damp hair on the mid-lengths and ends. This mask provides plenty of hydration and repair, elasticity to the hair shaft, and a level of thermal and sun protection. Argan Mystic Oil is an oil that can be used on both wet and dry hair. This product targets the cuticle, leaving a perfect seal and, as a result, a lot of shine and elasticity for the hair shaft. Keratin Hair Botox is our most special product within the HydraKer line. It is designed for dehydrated hair requiring a high level of repair. This is a product for professional use. You will find the step-by-step video on our channel. For all of our hair care lines, a gift pack format is available.